What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mototzigane. I guess it's been over 2 months. I recorded a video. In the last 1 month I've been just uploading the older videos. And now we are out for riding because I had my exams happening and it just got over yesterday. So we are out on a ride today. Here's what's going to happen. I left my home just now and I have about 5 minutes ride to meet Motopsyk. After I meet Motopsyk, from there both of us will be heading out to Ramnagar for Timappan Betta. It's an amazing place. We will be there for sunset. This should be a smooth ride and it's not too long as well. There it is. That is the spot we are going to, and this is beautiful. I freaking love it. I'm glad I made this choice of coming out for a ride today. I don't think I'll be going back anytime soon as well. Wow, this is beautiful too. Look at this thing. This is incredible. Damn, I'm loving it. Oh, look at this place. Walk away. Yeah, this was fun.
Yeah, we said we let it go.
Place is incredible. I guess we'll be coming here more. I can't decide if I'm a beach person or a mountain person yet. Every time I hit a mountain I like it more. Next time I hit a water place I like it even more.